I'm Brett Panter from the Personal Injury and Medical Malpractice Law firm of Panter Sampedro. We often encounter difficulties with clients who are either very ill or elderly. We have an obligation to expedite those cases, and there's a way and a manner in which we do that. We follow the rules of procedure. One is Rule 1.200 of Civil Procedure, and the other one is Florida Statute 415. Florida statutes. And I'm going to explain what those statutes provide as a tool for us to expedite trials when necessary. The Florida Statute 415 that I referred to is a civil action statute involving elderly patients and allows for a speedy trial, but it must be requested by your lawyer. So we often go to the judges and ask that they use this rule to expedite the trial. And I want to read the rule to you. What the rule says in simple language is, in a civil action in which a person over the age of 65 is a party, such party may move the court to advance the trial on the docket. The presiding judge, after considering the age and health of the party, may advance the trial on the docket. The motion may be filed at any time after we serve your initial complaint. So when we have elderly clients or clients that are catastrophically injured, we use this rule. We go in front of the judges in our courts and ask the judge to move the trial faster, because if we don't have speedy justice, we may have no justice at all. We're very well aware of that. The second part of the rule that I cited at the beginning was Rule 1.200, and that is simply a rule of case management. And with that rule, we're allowed to go to the court and ask that the judge do multiple things that are going to help move your case faster. Some of those things are to limit a schedule, order and expedite discovery, which is to order the lawyers in the case to move the case fast, to agree to set depositions without delay, because as we have learned over the years, the defense, the other side of this coin, it's always in their best interest to delay and defer these cases. It's our interest on behalf of our clients to move them as quickly as possible, and the rules allow for it if you're aware of the rules. We are aware of them and use the rules. And the other thing is, the judge is allowed to consider the possibility of getting admissions of fact. So we try to get issues stipulated to as best we can. We are able to ask the court to consider advance rulings to move the case along faster. We get a schedule of disclosure of expert witnesses, so the defense can't hide. We don't want to hide. We want to show them who our experts are in order to get an earlier trial date, to get an earlier and good and fair and timely resolution of your case. Because as I said, time is of the essence in much of this litigation. So we at our firm, Panter Sampedro, are very well aware of the rules that allow us to function within the system to move your case faster than otherwise it may move without knowing these rules.